This brings us to the last one, that is Workflow AI Assistant. So let's explore it. I click on Explore Workflow AI Assistant. It will take me to the workflows. And here I have it. I click on Create a Workflow, or let's select one of the already created ones. Select, okay, I would like to go with the second one, not this one. I'll choose something that I'm not using right now. And this is the workflow. Let's say I want to use AI. Hi user, I am Workflow AI and I can help you with creating automations, understanding workflows, and more. How can I help you today? Let's describe this workflow. It will analyze my workflow and tell me what it is. The workflow begins with a lead submit. When a lead submits a specific Facebook lead form, it adds a contact tag, it sends a confirmation email, it grants a membership access, sends an internal notification, waits for 5 hours, and then sends a follow-up email. Now this is what my current workflow looks like. Let's say I want to add something else to it. So I want to add another follow-up email once the membership is granted and a condition is checked if the user accessed the membership or not. Let's see what it does. So here is how you can add a follow-up email with a condition to check if. So add an if-else condition, configure the conditions, connection actions, suggest actions to add. So it's giving me all. I click on plus, so you see here, awesome, it added here, email. So it's going to set things up for you. You click on save action. So yeah, I obviously need to select the triggers and all of that, but yeah, what it does is it's suggesting you what to do. Select the position to add the action. Let's say over here, send thank you email for access membership, send reminder email for not access membership. Now that's how your workflow AI is used. Now it might not look once again very easy if you're not very fluent with setting up workflows. That might look a bit complicated, but yes, it does the job really well. Okay, this is now that it is suggesting me based on the workflow that I have currently. That's Workflow AI for you guys. That was all. I hope you enjoyed this session. If not, go through the session and let me know in the Q&A section or in the community that you must have been a part of already. I'll be waiting to hear from you on your feedback of using AI employee and all the exciting features that GoHighLevel comes up with. Waiting to hear from you. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.